our customers used to compete with our voice and data traffic. Today, with the launch of this platform, we have a dedicated network. Each time the base station picks up is coming from this kind of a platform, it goes through a dedicated network where now the communication becomes, it's not something that now you end up having to compete with our data and voice. It's dedicated purely for the machine-to-machine communication. That is great, but also it helps improve the latency. In the past, you have maybe some issues around latency linked again to the traffic. We here, through this new platform, we're saying we actually have addressed that particular problem and are giving our customers a truly dedicated network. In the past, our relationship with our customers, let's say it's Tracker or Digital, it used to be us giving them a SIM. And really, that would be the relationship. It ends there. We have that, and that's it. Through this platform, we are now giving them the control. If something is happening around that SIM, for example, and let's say this SIM is being misused, we used to see from our bill that, this customer is, the SIM, something is not happening, something not right here. But the customer themselves could not control that SIM, could not switch it off. If somebody is misusing the SIM, they did not have the control. So through this platform, we are giving back the control to the customer to be able to manage their own environment. So that's the first big thing. The other one, through this platform, we are giving the customers the ability to move. Let's say today they were only doing fleet management. They want to move to another vertical and do something else. They very easily, through what we call a solution development kit, they will be able to go and expand their offerings to the market through this platform. Their time to market is reduced quite a lot. So that, again, is a very, very important value that we are bringing to our customers. I think the last point I'd like to make here is the global SIM. Again, I want to emphasize the value of having a SIM and a rate that is consistent and across all of the geographies or across all of the countries where we're operating. That is a significant value. What we are currently doing, which we're not announcing today, but we're currently in negotiation, is in areas where we do not have presence, what is happening there? We want to have a similar kind of arrangement with the telco operators in those countries. But that's the work that we're currently working on. We will be talking and announcing much later. We want to be an ICT partner of choice, more especially for companies that are expanding geographically. Given our footprint on the continent, we believe that we are best placed to be that partner of choice to these companies as they grow their business across the African continent. We have an extensive infrastructure that this company has built. We've got about 47 data centers. Connecting those data centers is our MPLS network that gives customers guaranteed connectivity to make sure that they can connect their applications, their solutions, and they move from one country to the next. That is an important foundation that we have chosen to build on. And this, what we are announcing today and what we are launching, is largely something that is being put on top of that infrastructure that will help us to enable this vision that we are sharing with you today.